Are you looking for a washer-dryer stacking kit to save space in your laundry area? In this video, we've selected the most durable and easy to install options. All links are available in the description below. To make the right choice, check your appliance compatibility, the strength of the frame, and whether the kit includes a pull-out tray. We've chosen 3 reliable models that guarantee a secure and stable stacking solution for your washer and dryer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to discover more practical home accessories. Here are the 3 best washer-dryer stacking kits, from the most affordable to the most complete. First, the KISS-Core W600 washer-dryer stacking kit offers a sturdy and space-saving solution for securely mounting your dryer on top of your washer. Designed with reinforced steel brackets, it provides excellent stability and vibration control, ensuring both appliances remain safely aligned even during high-speed spin cycles. The kit includes a durable pull-out shelf that makes loading, unloading, and folding laundry more convenient. Easy to install with all necessary hardware included, it fits most standard front-load washer and dryer models. Ideal for small laundry rooms or apartments, the W600 maximizes floor space while maintaining easy access to both units for efficient laundry management. Next, the Samsung SKK 8K washer-dryer stacking kit is engineered for precision and safety, allowing you to securely stack compatible Samsung 27-inch front-load washers and dryers. Made from premium-grade metal, it ensures a firm connection that minimizes noise and movement during operation. The kit's sleek design maintains a clean, integrated appearance while saving valuable floor space in compact laundry areas. Installation is straightforward with clear instructions and all mounting components included. Perfect for apartments, condos, or utility rooms, the SKK 8K delivers the strength, balance, and durability expected from Samsung's trusted engineering. Finally, the KISS-Core W519 washer-dryer stacking kit combines practical design and robust construction to help you efficiently organize your laundry area. Built from high-quality metal, it provides reliable support for most standard front-load washers and dryers, keeping them perfectly aligned for safe, stable use. Its anti-slip pads reduce vibration and noise, while the integrated safety lock ensures your dryer remains securely fixed. Simple to assemble, the W519 kit includes all the necessary fittings for quick installation. Ideal for optimizing vertical space in tight areas, it offers convenience, safety, and lasting durability for modern homes. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.